St. Louis nursing home shuts down, leaving residents and their families scrambling. Thank you for joining us. I'm Melanie Johnson. Family members say they had no idea Northview Village in North St. Louis was closing. First Alert 4, Shoshana Stahl reports on the efforts to find new homes for 170 residents.
I don't even know where my brother is.
Phyllis Gibson was in bed when she saw a report that the Northview Village nursing home closed and residents were being moved out. Her brother Ned, one of them.
You never got a phone call?
Never. Never got a message, nothing. 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 This is sad.
Gibson says she dropped her brother back at Northview Friday afternoon after they spent the day together, and no one said a word to her that hours later they would be shutting down. Now, she doesn't know where her brother is.
How would you feel? I mean, I'm just as human as you. How would you feel? I'm devastated. I gotta go. I don't even know where to look. I don't even know who to turn to.
The State Department of Health and Senior Services tells First Alert 4 it worked throughout Friday night into Saturday morning to move about 170 residents from Northview. Those residents have been placed in 14 different facilities in the metro area and in Illinois. St. Louis County's Public Administrator Timothy Weeks has 3 people who are in his custody at Northview. He also never got a phone call.
When you have a facility shutting down at 11:30 at night, when it's raining and you have no plan in place, finding placement for these folks is a task.
Chastity Harlan worked at Northview for 8 years, returning in the summer, but as an agency employee.
The owner said he don't have it and he can't pay them. So, and he didn't pay them. He still haven't paid them.
Working for an agency, Harlan says she still is getting paid, but that's not the case for many of her former coworkers.
They was pissed. People was like they was about to get evicted, Christmas coming, so they worked the 2 weeks that they was supposed to get paid for yesterday. They worked that week too, so like they're not gonna get a check the next week either, and it's right before the holidays. They was devastated.
Weeks says he's now on high alert, concerned this could happen at other nursing homes in the area.
As the guardian of over 700 individuals, this is something that I'm scared to death.
First Alert 4 did reach out to Northview for comment, and we haven't heard back. In North City, Shoshana Stahl, First Alert 4.